There's a lot more to harvesting California cantaloupes than just going out into the fields and picking the juicy, ripe fruit. To begin with, there are actually 3 harvest periods. The first is in the southern desert area from May to early July. Next is in the San Joaquin Valley from late June to October. Then the southern desert area has another harvest from mid-October through early December. California produces 75% of the nation's cantaloupe crop during these time periods. Next thing you should know is that all along the way, from picking to packing, inspecting, grading, and transporting to the cooling facility, the utmost care is taken to deliver cantaloupes that are delicious, healthy, and safe for you and your family. The California Cantaloupe Advisory Board maintains the highest level of commitment to both quality and safety. To ensure safety, certified California cantaloupe producers invite government auditors to inspect all aspects of cantaloupe farming. Each government audit consists of 156 food safety checkpoints, and certified California Cantaloupe Advisory Board handlers are required to be in 100% compliance with every checkpoint. Before harvest begins, farmers are required to train all workers in hygiene, safety, and field sanitation. Worker training is thorough and carefully monitored to ensure they follow the highest safety standards. It can take up to 20 days to harvest a single field. This is because pickers choose only the perfectly ripe fruit during each pass. California cantaloupes are either packed in the field or in packing facilities located near the growing areas. For each method, science-based food safety practices are followed, and government auditors verify that certified producers are following the proper protocols every step of the way. In field packing operations, packers sort and grade the fruit by size, carefully placing each cantaloupe in boxes. Each box is stamped with a mandatory code so it can be traced back to its field of origin. After packing, boxes are stacked by size onto pallets and then quickly transported to a cooling facility. Cantaloupes can also be packed indoors. In this case, cantaloupes are carefully harvested and brought in from the fields to a packing facility. Here they are unloaded to a packing line and promptly rinsed and treated with an appropriate sanitizing solution. Cantaloupes are then graded for quality, sized, and placed in a box or bag depending upon customer requests. After they're packed, sorted, and cleaned, cantaloupes are cooled to slow the ripening process and assure field-fresh flavor. It is important to minimize the duration of time between packing and cooling because it helps maintain freshness. When a truckload of freshly picked cantaloupes arrives at the cooling facility, the fruit is quickly unloaded and transported to the coolers for forced air cooling. Boxes must be carefully stacked to allow for uniform air circulation. Cooling equipment is regularly cleaned and sanitized, as are forklifts and other pallet-moving equipment, as part of a master sanitation schedule that is required by the California Cantaloupe Advisory Board Food Safety Program. Workers at cooling facilities are thoroughly trained in proper sanitation and safety practices. They are also educated to quickly spot problem areas. Prior to shipment to distributors and grocery stores across the nation, cantaloupes are kept in cold storage between 36 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit and 95% relative humidity. Certified California cantaloupe producers are diligent in their efforts and want you to know that they are taking every action possible to ensure the highest quality and safety of their product every step of the way, from their fields to your table.